always loved working with children. I feel like education is something that I can continue to do and work with children. And that's actually one of the main reasons why I went into education, was so that I could work with children and try to make a difference in their lives. Diversity is honestly built into my history. My parents are refugees from Vietnam, and having that and knowing that and being diverse myself has been really great for not only my students but the community. They also see me as somebody that is similar to them, and it really does help open conversational doors to know that a teacher that looks like them or has similar background to them is able to be a teacher as well, and they can change lives. Not only am I reaching students, I'm reaching families. Sometimes there's that trifecta of a team of student success. First is the student, then the teacher, building that relationship. On top of that, the third part is building with families. When you have all three of those, magical things can happen. Elementary is a lot of fun. That's where they're discovering themselves, and they are actually creating the foundation of who they're going to become. Helping build that self-confidence of the students so that they can get to that light bulb moment. When they truly believe that they can do something, there's no stopping the student from going further than what they ever truly believe that they could do. And when somebody reaches out back to you and say, "You made a difference in my life," that right there, it's a paycheck of the heart.